Hello and welcome to another update video about EGLD. So most recently EGLD turned around in our trend reversal area. Down here we had the long-term support area marked on the chart, as well as a narrower, smaller support area, target area basically, for this move to the downside. We had 5 waves down in wave 5, and there's a yellow and a white count. Both of them are going to be mirror counts for a while, so it doesn't really matter to me so much in the short term if this is a bearish wave count to the upside or a bullish one. At the moment the trend seems to be up, and that could be either here a wave 1 forming in the yellow wave count, which would be a 5-wave move, likely a diagonal. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. That would form a wave 1. If we have that, we are waiting for a 3-wave pullback, which could be another entry point for a pullback trader, and then it could rally in a 3rd wave, ideally above resistance in the bullish count, and then that we'll see where that will take us. In the bearish count, the current rally could just be a corrective ABC structure. So the A wave, B wave, C wave. So if the move up here is only in 3 waves and stays a 3-wave move, it could be the bearish count, because an A wave can be a 3-wave structure. If we get 5 waves, which at the moment I'm looking for primarily, it puts the emphasis more on the yellow wave count. Could also still be white, because an A wave can be a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move. But then we are watching for a pullback either way, and if the pullback afterwards is corrective, so if the move down is corrective, then we're going to look forward to a rally afterwards in a wave C of 2 or in wave 3 in yellow. So that's going to be seen. For now, what I want to emphasize is that the support area I communicated to you in the last video has already been reached, basically a target for wave 4. Yeah, let me just adjust it if I need to. No, I don't need to. So support is currently, by the way, really nice to see that this trend line that we had on the chart is now acting as support. It's pretty good. Just retesting support. Also reached the perfect target for a wave 4, which is the 38.2 retracement level of the 3rd wave. So we had 3 waves up here in wave 3, probably because this is an overall diagonal. That doesn't matter so much. That's just related to the overall patterns. But yeah, I mean, looking at this, we can say that 5 waves up would be great. And we can expect 5 waves up, or we can watch for 5 waves up, as long as the $34.70 level is holding. Now, to be fair, that's the 50% retracement level. Now, to be fair, if this is a diagonal, we have to allow it to go down to the 61.8 retracement. I just want to mention that that's at $31.40. I leave that on the chart. Ideally, it doesn't break below the 50% fib level, but because we're dealing likely with a diagonal here, we just have to give it that more space, but maybe it doesn't need it. Looks like a 4th wave at the moment. Oftentimes the wave 2 and the wave 4 in cryptos have a similar length, duration-wise. Okay, so this took, 20 days? Okay. So this wave 4 started on the 5th of November, might have a few more days in the 4th wave. We'll see. There's no need for that. It's just sort of what we often observe. And then we could get a 5th wave to the upside. So at the moment, one more high would be great, because then we have at least the first solid, more or less solid confirmation that a lasting low has been established here in our target area, and that we are about to push higher. But then we can also watch for a pullback in a wave 2, which would be the setup for a 3rd wave higher. That's my update about EGLD. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.